The radii of circle ends of a bucket of height 15 cm are 14 and r centimeters. If the volume of bucket is 5390 cm cube, we have to find the value of r. It's given the height to be 15, radius of one end of a bucket of 14, and the volume 5390 cm cube. I have already drawn the diagram for your convenience. The R1 is the bigger radius, R2 is the smaller radius, and this is the height. The volume of bucket is 1 by 3 pi h R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. So if we put the values here, we get this equation. Here we get the quadratic equation, and after solving it, we get r as 7 and r as minus 21. Since the radius cannot be a negative number, we choose the radius as 7. Hence, this is the answer.